In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Amazon Prime Video on any smart TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, as you can see, I already have Amazon Prime Video installed. Now, the very first thing is you might already have it installed without actually knowing, because a lot of these apps, right? If you just scroll all the way to the right, there's a lot of hidden apps that you might not have even known are installed. What you can do if if your Amazon Prime Video is over here, what you can do is a long press on it using like the select button, and then you can move it wherever you want, like I'm moving this one right now. And then obviously, if you don't have it installed, obviously you just want to go ahead and install it. So what you got to do is go all the way to the left and go to search. Then from here, you're going to be able to like install any application or search up any show or anything like that. So you can literally search up anything. So I would just obviously search up Amazon, and then from there, it would show up Amazon Prime Video. Now, it's not going to show up Amazon Prime Video for me just because I already have it installed. But then once you find it on here, all you got to do is go ahead and click on it, press install. Then literally, you'll have to wait like a minute for it to install, maybe even less. And then it's going to be right there. You'll be able to log in with your account, and then you'll be good to go. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.